About to make some homemade ramen. Yeah. And also gonna make the sticky honey garlic chicken wings. Now I have to flip them over and broil them some more. So they're almost done, and then I make the nice sticky honey garlic sauce. So the wings are done. Now I have to make the sticky honey garlic sauce and toss them around with the jalapeno and garlic. Got my wok ready, so I just added some soy sauce and some honey. I gotta bring this to a nice little boil. Now I started boiling. I'm adding my jalapeno and my garlic and continue boiling and stirring for like a minute or two. If you guys could smell this, this is amazing. You have to really make this. This is delicious and quick. I'm just gonna stir it around so it's all covered nicely. Added some chicken stock, and I'm also adding some water to the base. This has to come to a slight boil. This aroma in the house is amazing. Now I'm adding some mushrooms. Now I'm gonna add the ramen noodles to this water and cook an additional 5 or so minutes. This looks so good already, and it's not even done yet. So I have 2 beaten eggs here, so I'm gonna add this to this beautiful soup. I have to stir that around. Now I'm going to add my kale to it. Now I'm gonna add my kimchi, including this sauce. Yes. Stir that around. The kimchi sauce also dyed the broth. Next I'm gonna add the carrot. I'm gonna add some frozen herbs that I had, some cilantro and dill. For the extra crunch, I'm gonna add some soy sprouts. I'm gonna enhance my ramen with the sriracha, rice vinegar, and a little bit of soy sauce. I'm about to make skillet apple pie biscuits, and those are the ingredients. I'm brushing the skillet with this melted butter on all the sides. So I have the biscuits over here. Here I have the cinnamon, nutmeg, brown sugar mixture, the melted butter, and the biscuits. I will dip the biscuits first in the melted butter, sprinkle with this mixture, and place them in the cast iron skillet and arrange them. Biscuits assembled. Now I have to add the vanilla to the apple pie filling. I have to arrange the apple pie filling mixture over the biscuits. Now I have to pour the remaining butter over the mixture, on top of the mixture, and sprinkle the remaining brown sugar mix on top. So now it's gotta go in the oven, and in the oven it goes. Now I'm going to make the glaze. So I have my icing made. Oh my god, look at this beauty. Yum. Now we'll drizzle the icing outside. Okay, here you have skillet apple pie biscuits with this glaze drizzled on top. That looks amazing. Look at this filling that goes perfect with some vanilla ice cream.